In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download assets from any Figma project. Whether you need icons, images, illustrations, or entire UI components, Figma makes it easy to export exactly what you need in just a few clicks. Start by opening your Figma file and locating the asset you want to download. This could be a single element like an icon or an entire frame that contains multiple items. Click on the asset to select it. If you want to download multiple assets at once, hold Shift while selecting everything you need. Once the asset is selected, look to the right-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find the export section. If you don't see it, make sure you have an actual layer selected. The export panel only appears when a real object or frame is chosen. Inside the export panel, click the plus button to add an export setting. You can choose the format you want: PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. Each format is useful depending on what you're downloading. PNG for images and UI elements with transparency, SVG for icons or vector graphics, JPG for photos, PDF for documents or printable layouts. After choosing your format and resolution, click Export. Figma will download your asset immediately to your computer. If you're exporting multiple items at once, Figma will bundle them into a folder. If the asset is inside a component or group, you don't need to ungroup anything. Just select the frame or the individual layer you want. You can even rename your layers before exporting if you want clean file names. That's all there is to it. Select the asset, choose your export format, and download it directly from the sidebar. It's fast, simple, and perfect for preparing UI kits, icons, images, or handoff files.